Joint Action has developed an automated musculoskeletal injury risk assessment system. The technology has been developed with the support of industry partners in logistics, manufacturing and mining, including ACARP, who recognised the importance of improving manual task risk controls as part of their risk management program. The system uses non-invasive wearable sensors that obtain musculoskeletal data to analyse tasks and generate scored manual task risk assessments. Data is delivered to an iPad app with the user only needing to start and stop analysing the activity to obtain a risk score. It uses a machine learning system to process the sensor data and presents the analysis in a clear, simple, precise report. Sensors improve accuracy, analyse faster and deliver better reporting options with little manual input. Users can vary the input data to create what-if scenarios and test risk controls with immediate feedback. Risk assessments can be undertaken without the need for contact between the assessor and the worker. Faces can be automatically blurred and data made anonymous for confidentiality and compliance with privacy requirements. Assessments are managed in a library format, with all data and reports being synchronized to cloud services to enable coordinated organizational use. The library can easily be used to identify the highest risk tasks and to establish priorities to identify tasks where risk controls have had the greatest positive effect and where risk controls can be further improved. Click on the product link to learn more.